Hello everybody, Payout Big Scratchers here, and we are on tickets 12 and 13 of this book called 300 Million Cash Explosion. We're scratching two or three a day, and the odds on the tickets is 1 in 2.83, and there's ticket 12, 13. It's a match and win game. So you match any of your numbers to the winning numbers, win prize shown, reveal that floating bill, win prize automatically. You have a 2 and 10 times that you can win 2 or 10 times the prize. That star is $500 and cash is all 30 prizes. And we're going to start by scratching ticket 12. So you're going to match. Okay. So we're going to match the winning numbers. There's no back scratch or bonuses on this ticket. These are, and I'm going to use DK Scratcher coin. I won his coin. And it says, get you some. And we're going to, the winning numbers are 14, 16, 39, 41, 56, 9, 7, 31, 43, and 15. Our numbers are 34. We have a 43 and a 39. 25. There's no 20s up here. No 20s. 35, have a 31 and a 39. At 42, we have 43 and a 41. 1, 4, 44. 18, 13, and 20. We have 16, 14, 15, no 20s. 12, 24, no 12 and no 24. 57 and 3. We have a 7 and a 9. 56, no 3. 33, you have 31 and 39. 8 and 11. You have 7 and a 9. 52. 50, we have 56. 6. 17. Nope. Nope. 5 and 19. We don't have either one of those. 47. No 47. 58. No 58. 36. No 36. The last row is 27. 53. 54 and 45, and the last one on this ticket is a 26. We have no 20s. That was ticket 12. This is ticket 13. $11, 51, 43, 1, 14, 18, 42, 26, 44, and 28. 13, have 14, 41, no 41, 25, we have a 26, 37, and 59. No 30s. And we have that 51. 45. No 45. 6. We just have the 1. 15. No 15. 23 and 52. We have 51. No 23. 33 and 19. Nope. 22 and 49. No 22. 49. 20. No 20. 35. No 30s. 8. 24. We have a 26. 28. 56. There you go. 4. There's no 4. 47. 54. 21. 31. Last row. 53. 58. 46. 57. Last one, 17. And this ticket is a loser. Both tickets. This session is a losing session. Like, subscribe, share, and thank you for watching. Bye.